Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Whether you're tuning in for the first time or you're a regular listener, we're so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something super useful, especially if you're planning to hit the road soon. Yup, we're diving into the UK car driving theory test. If you're thinking about getting your driving license, this episode is definitely for you. And guess what? I'm not alone. I've got my co-host with me, ChatGPT. Ready to help us break it all down?
Absolutely. Excited to be here. The theory test is a key step on the journey to becoming a licensed driver in the UK, and there's a lot to know. Let's get into it.
All right, first things first, how do you actually apply for the theory test? And what do you need before you can book it?
Great question. To book your theory test, you need to have a UK provisional driving license. You can apply for this online through the official government website. Once you've got your provisional license, you can book the theory test online too. It's quick and easy. And don't forget, on the day of the test, you'll need to bring your photo card driving license with you. If you only have a paper license, make sure to also bring a valid passport as photo ID.
Awesome, sounds pretty straightforward. So now let's talk about what the theory test is actually like. How many questions are there, and what kinds of things do they ask?
The theory test is split into two parts. One, multiple choice questions. You'll answer 50 questions on topics like road signs, safety rules, and handling different driving scenarios. You need to get at least 43 correct to pass. 2. Hazard perception test. This part involves 14 video clips, each showing real-world driving situations. You need to spot developing hazards by clicking as soon as you see them. The passing score here is 44 out of 75. Both sections are taken on the same day, and you need to pass both to move forward.
Thanks for breaking that down. It's good to know there are two parts to the test. Now, for our final question, how can someone prepare well, and where do they actually go to take the test?
Great wrap-up question. To prepare, start with the official DVSA resources, like their app and the highway code. Use online platforms like Theory Test Pro or Driving Test Success to practice real exam questions and hazard clips. Take mock tests regularly so you get comfortable with the timing and pressure. And when you're ready to take the test, just go to the official gov.uk website to book your slot. You'll be able to choose the nearest approved test center to you. Pro tip, consistent practice over time beats last-minute cramming, so give yourself a couple of weeks to prepare well.
Perfect! That was super helpful. Thanks so much for breaking it all down, ChatGPT. I think a lot of people are going to feel a lot more confident now.
Anytime. Best of luck to all the future drivers out there. You've got this.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow the podcast. Got a friend who's learning to drive? Send this their way. We'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and good luck with your theory test. Bye.